welcome back to another Axe Family video. Hope you're doing well. Hope you got a smile on your face. Because today's a beautiful, beautiful day. Today we're gonna make some wood chips out of all these branches, which some of the branches are from what I cut up yesterday. We're gonna get after it.
So that there's forward, lots of reverse. There's a choke over that way.
Let's do a little recap so I can fill you guys in. So this morning we started out and went and we wood chipped all of the branches that I had cut off of the apple tree. And then after lunch, we actually have another friend that's living here on the island, and so we went and we met up with her, and she took us over to a camp that's on the far side of the island. So we are over on the other side of the island now at a camp called Barnabas. It's a family camp, and they are building this building right here that's going to be the main dining hall area, and they're also building some other buildings. My understanding is that they've been here for a while, but they're still growing and building, and this building is amazing. The beams that are holding up the roof are just massive. That place is a family camp. They were working on their dining hall. They were putting a bunch of other buildings in. farming operation. And the farming operation provides food for the camp to use. So they had the long greenhouse with plants on the inside there. They had the bees.
It's called a top bar hive because of how the bees draw their comb in. So they're just starting to draw some comb. So they draw it all vertically from the bar.
Wow.
It's a little bit more difficult to manage than a typical Langstroth hive, just because there isn't any foundation. Oh yeah.
It's a little bit more difficult.
Yeah, so with a, like this one's pretty light, so you can move it around, no problem. But when it's a full comb, you can't tip it like this because it'll fall off.
Yeah.
Where at the box hives, they're usually full plastic frames that the bees draw a little bit of wax off of. So you can flip them anyway, and they're pretty structural. But this is apparently a little bit more natural, and the bees can draw cell sizes whatever size they want, where with the Langstroth hive, they have to do it based on the size that's printed on the plastic frame. The bees have a way in and out just on the other side that'll let them into the greenhouse, but then once we finish up the poly on the front of the greenhouse, this port will go straight outside. So when the greenhouse is all closed up, they can go outside.
Okay. And then they had a whole pen that kind of went back into the forest where they would buy a bunch of pigs every year, and then the leftovers from the kitchen, from the groups that come in and go, they feed the pigs those leftovers, and then at the end of the year, the end of the season, they butcher all the pigs and they save that meat, and then they're able to use that meat. So they're kind of building like a sustainable system, but it's also a camping atmosphere, and so it was gorgeous. I mean, those buildings were amazing, and the view that they had was incredible. So then we came back over here and hung out with our friend Sharon some more, and now we're back here at Gil and Linda's, and we're gonna have dinner here pretty soon, and it's just been awesome being on this island. So we're gonna be here for a couple more days, and we're just trying to soak it all in. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Hit the thumbs up button on this video. Leave us a comment down below. I read every single comment, and I'm really glad that you're here. We'll see you later. Hats off to you.